Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule a prompt in Microsoft 365 Copilot to automatically run itself. This is great for those prompts you run on a regular basis, like the end of the week wrap or daily meeting prep. To do this, open Copilot. Enter your prompt. This is the prompt I use for my end of week wrap. When the response is complete, hover the mouse over the prompt and click the clock icon. Up here, you can modify your prompt if needed. Then configure the options of when you want this prompt to run automatically. Delete the date if you want this prompt to run indefinitely. Here you have the option to receive an email when the results are ready. Click Save. When the response is ready, you will get an email like this. It also appears in your Copilot history as unread. If you need to make any changes to the prompt or schedule, go to the three-dot menu and select Scheduled Prompts, and here you have your options. If scheduling prompts is going to save you time, click Like and then go schedule your first prompts now.